Hello and welcome to my unboxing of March 2015's Loot Crate. The theme is like Covert or Spy. So let's pull up the camera a little here. Take a look inside the box. So it starts off with this nice, slick little James Bond shirt, and these little settings started. Next up, we have an Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. What would you call this? ID card. It's in here. I haven't opened it up. There's a sticker there, and a lanyard to go with it. We have little moleskins, but they go by field notes. Got a spy look to them. We have one with nice grid paper, and the other one is just simple lined paper. We also have a stealth watch, which there's a little button right here, and it'll do that, and it will go back to being blank. People just think you have a wristband on it or something instead of wearing a watch. I guess that's handy. Next up, we have this bungee. There's a name for it, paracord or something. And it's like an emergency bracelet. And I'm thinking that's the Loot Crate logo. Yeah. So, I think out of everything in this box, it's a tie for me. What I think is the coolest, this or the watch. I think the shirt is really cute, but I don't know if ever I'll wear it. The Loot Crate button. Get a nice look on that. Here's your Loot Crate magazine, so it's Covert themed. We got Metal Gear 3 Years, Austin Powers, people with their 8-bit sunglasses. It came in one of the previous month's Loot Crates. Download for Ninjak. I don't care, I don't want it, so take it. Take it if you want it. We have a thing on how to use your I don't know, paracord survival bracelet. There's also a Mad Libs, spy based, and the box is like a computer. You know, doesn't look like you even need to unfold it. I guess you could. I don't know. But yeah, oh yeah, and a copy of Orphan Black, the comic book, came with it, but I already gave it to my mother, who was a fan of the show. This is the 4th month I've got in Loot Crate, and I'd say this is probably the weakest one that I've gotten so far. I liked last month's that came with the nano bug. I forget exactly what they're called. The hex bug. That's what it was. There's been some cool stuff the past few months. This is alright. It's also the smallest box I've gotten. Just to give an idea. There's the last few months. You can see the bottom was the biggest. That's the one that came with the Joker. So, that's it for my review. Thank you very much for watching, or my unboxing. Thanks for watching.